Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next series of tutorials on creating a website from scratch. As you know, we are working on my third book, which is still not uploaded to this site because it is not completely ready. That's why I will show it on my site for Lazarus. It is Master Techniques in X3 and Adaptive and Responsive Design. We reached the chapter with the concrete example. I showed it last time in the PDF file. Here now I will show you how it works in the browser. Here it is. Here we start. We will smoothly shrink the screen. Here you see how the 4 blocks are distributed, and here already pass into one block in the mobile version. Here it is. Here I made it and you can see it. Here it is without text, so you can see how it happens only with the arrangement of the blocks. Here I haven't left distance in this example. This is all from the first chapter of my new book and for this lesson. Best regards.